I don't want my brain to stop working.
It's what you become.
Bill Gates, born William Henry Gates III on October 28, 1955, in Seattle, Washington, is an American business magnate, software developer, philanthropist, and author. He co-founded Microsoft Corporation, the world's largest personal computer software company, along with Paul Allen. This is Bill Gates' story, and you're on the Biography channel, where every story matters. Bill Gates comes from a family of achievers. His father, William H. Gates Sr., was an attorney, and his mother, Mary Maxwell Gates, was a businesswoman and served on the board of directors for several companies. Bill Gates was married to Melinda French Gates. The two met in the late 1980s when Melinda joined Microsoft as a product manager. They got married on January 1, 1994, in a private ceremony on the Hawaiian island of Lanai. The couple has 3 children, Jennifer, Rory, and Phoebe. After 27 years of marriage, Bill and Melinda Gates decided to divorce in a joint statement released on May 3, 2021. In their statement, they mentioned that they had decided to end their marriage. They also expressed their commitment to continuing their joint work at the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. While attending Lakeside School in Seattle, he was introduced to computers in the school's computer room, sparking his fascination with the emerging technology. Gates enrolled at Harvard University in 1973, but dropped out in 1975 to pursue his passion for software development and entrepreneurship.
What you're about to see and hear will give you an entirely new appreciation for what's possible.
In 1975, Gates and his childhood friend Paul Allen co-founded Microsoft in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Their vision was to create software for the growing personal computer market. Microsoft's graphical user interface, Windows, was launched in 1985, becoming a key player in the personal computer revolution. The company's success led to Gates becoming one of the richest people in the world. In 2000, Bill and his then-wife Melinda Gates founded the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The foundation focuses on global health, education, and poverty alleviation. It has played a significant role in addressing issues such as infectious diseases, access to education, and healthcare in developing countries. Gates is also known for his books, including The Road Ahead and Business at the Speed of Thought. He is an active public speaker and often shares his thoughts on technology, education, and global issues. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, please leave a comment for more interesting content and let me know if you have any stories or questions.